Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Guyanese buns. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, like flour, sugar, and spices. Next, activate your yeast in warm milk with a little sugar. This step is crucial for a good rise. Then, in a separate bowl, combine all your dry ingredients. This preparation sets the stage for perfect, fluffy buns. Now, pour the activated yeast mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix well, then turn the dough out onto a floured surface. Knead it for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, giving your buns their structure. Finally, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot until it doubles in size. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation: for all your cooking adventures and recipe reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into equal portions. Each portion will become one bun. Roll each piece into a smooth, round shape and arrange them on a baking sheet. Allow them to rest briefly, then bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.